Hi, Doc. Happy to meet you once more. I have some questions about clinical trials. Can you help me?
Sure. Actually, during a clinical trial, it's the responsibility of the researcher to correctly inform the participants and their community.
So, Doc, what is a clinical trial?
A clinical trial is a study during which a drug or a technique is evaluated to see its benefits for a particular diagnostic or treatment situation.
Oh, I see. So they are here to test whether or not the drug works?
Yes. A study of a drug can have many objectives. Most of the time, it's to make sure that the drug works or is better than another drug for the treatment of a disease. However, a study can only be done on people if they accept to take part in it.
Do it request a formal signature from me to go on?
Yes, actually, you need to sign an informed consent.
Informed consent?
Yeah, it's a paper you sign to prove that you agree with the terms of the experiment. After that, all the side effects have been explained to you and all the benefits too.
What is expected from me?
Depending on the type of experiment carried on, you can be requested to take some tablets on daily basis, come for regular checkups, or participate in group counseling. Globally, you have to follow up the procedures considering all the security measures put in place for this type of study.
Can I stop my participation at any time?
Yes, you can, but you still be followed up to see if any side effect comes. And moreover, if the doctor notices a problem, he can interrupt your participation by himself.
So what do I gain when I participate in a clinical trial?
You can be healed from your disease, and the team of researchers, in accordance with the ethical committee, compensates your time and some commodities.
Thank you, doctor. I understand now that the team of clinical trial needs to give me accurate information, and I should give my informed consent. See you next time.
Please wait. It's not over. Apart from the participant, the community as a whole also needs to be informed and to participate in a clinical trial.
The community?
Yes, and that is called community participation. As you're a member of a community, it is also very important that all the stakeholders that have interest in the study or the results understand or even take part in the setting up and design of the study.
Who are these stakeholders?
This can be patients' family support group, Ministry of Health, community opinion leaders like religious leaders. We call all these people stakeholders.
I see, doctor. So a researcher can come and ask an advice from my pastor before setting up research?
Absolutely. Your pastor is better placed than the researcher to know what type of period to do a research. Maybe there's a religious activity that should not coincide with the research studies. A chief of a village can also give valuable advice on the conduct of the study. In some villages, for example, a male investigator cannot examine a female participant, and some elements of the local culture that should be considered. It is important the researcher should be aware of this.
Why should all these other people you call stakeholders understand and help the research?
This will facilitate acceptance of the research by everyone in the community and even by those not taking part in the research directly. It will reduce the risk of negative rumors on the study, and as the community will have taken part to the design, it will create a sense of ownership.
This means that stakeholders have to be engaged in the process of carrying out the trial.
Yes, to create mutual understanding, complementarity, and efficiency. Not only in the process of carrying out the trial, but also to make sure that the research and the procedures are acceptable and the results of the study really benefit the people the research is meant for.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Thank you too. Bye. Next time. For any other video, follow me up on my YouTube page and subscribe.